Well, there is another update coming in, another cloudburst that has now been reported in Jammu and Kashmir. This cloudburst has been reported in Ramban, where this is the Ragra Tehsil. What has now been said, at least 5 people that are missing so far. However, Sahil is connected with us. Sahil, what is being said that because of this cloudburst, there are certain casualties that are also reported?
The officials now, in fact, confirming us that they have recovered 3 dead bodies, while 2 are still missing. There were initial, in fact, reports of 5 people were reported missing, but now the rescue teams have basically recovered 3 dead bodies. So in this tragedy, in this cloudburst that's reported in Rajgir area of Ramban district, as of now there are 3 casualties. 2 people are still missing. Administration has pressed men and machinery into service. A rescue operation is being, in fact, carried out at the spot. This is Rajgir area of Tehsil where this cloudburst was reported early this morning, and as a result of which there is, in fact, loss of human life. 3 persons have so far, in fact, died, and their dead bodies have been recovered. Houses were also reported to be washed out by, in fact, washed out by this cloudburst that has taken place. The Srinagar Meteorological Department had already issued a high rain alert for Jammu division, particularly for Doda, Kishtwar, and in fact Ramban and Rajouri Poonch areas of Jammu. And we had seen throughout the night there was in fact a rainfall that had occurred. Yes. And in this Ramban district,
from Kishtwar to Katwa, we are looking at now in Ramban district in Jammu and Kashmir, there has been series of cloudbursts that have been reported that has taken human lives as well, and structural infrastructure damages that has also been taking place. But we also talk about Uttarakhand as well. Sahil, thank you very much for joining in. As cloudbursts have been wreaking havoc in the hill state of Uttarakhand, 6 people are reported dead and 11 feared missing, as houses that have been swept away in the deluge, and Chamoli and Rudraprayag continue to be the worst hit, as there has been another series of cloudbursts that has been reported, which has now led to landslides that has triggered massive destruction, and the monsoon fury is something that has battered the hill state. Similar pictures that have been coming in from different parts of North India. We'll get you the details back after a short break. You're watching Times Now. We'll be joining you on the other side with the latest headlines.